Yoga Nidra is a type of yogic sleep. The sense of Yoga Nidra is being between a deep, deep sleep and fully awake. A lot of times I've found this place in that time and space feel different. It's hard to know how long you've been there. You lose track of that sense of time. It's also hard to know where your body is in space without moving it. So that gives you a different orientation in space. So give yourself time and space here. Carve out some time and space for yourself. If you need to set an outside alarm so that you are awoken if you do fall asleep, then do that. It's important for this practice that you're comfortable. So settle yourself into Shavasana if possible. You may need to put something under your knees or under your head. You also want to make sure that you're warm, so you're not distracted by the body as you bring your attention to the body. I'm going to talk you through points in the body. Don't worry if you drift off. When you come back, just notice where I am in your body and bring your attention there. It's very possible that you may drop into an actual sleep, and that's fine too. Maybe what you need. So, once you've settled into your symmetry, your comfort, your warmth, if possible, cover your eyes so that your energy that goes out through vision, through seeing the world, can move inwards. Make any adjustments to your body so that you can be comfortable and feel symmetrical. And then commit to being still. So once you've settled yourself, commit to it being a good enough posture for this practice. When I bring your attention to each of these points in your body, you may have a visual sense from inside or from outside. You may get a sense of a color or a sensation. You may not have any of that. It's all good. Bring your attention to the very top of your head. Bring your attention to the point between your brows and inwards from there towards the middle of your skull. Bring your attention to the base of your throat. To your right shoulder. Right elbow. Right wrist. Tip of your right thumb. Tip of your right pointer finger. Tip of your right middle finger. Tip of your right ring finger. Tip of your right little finger. Right wrist. Right elbow. Right shoulder. Base of the throat. Left shoulder. Left elbow. Left wrist. Tip of your left thumb. Tip of your left pointer finger. Tip of your left middle finger. Tip of your left ring finger. Tip of your left little finger. Left wrist. Left elbow. Left shoulder. Base of the throat. Heart center. Navel center. Pelvic center. Right hip. Right knee. Right ankle. Tip of your right big toe. Tip of your right second toe. Tip of your right third toe. Tip of your right fourth toe. Tip of your right little toe. right ankle, right knee, right hip, pelvic center, left hip, left knee, left ankle, tip of your left big toe, tip of your left second toe, tip of your left third toe, tip of your left fourth toe, tip of your left little toe, left ankle, left knee, left hip, pelvic center, navel center, heart center, base of the throat, point between the brows, the very top of the head. Bring your attention to your whole body resting on the floor. The whole body at once. Being aware of your whole body. Continue to allow your body to rest. And change only your breathing, being conscious of your breath as it moves into your body. Transitioning from passive, relaxed breath into more active breath. feeling the impact of the breath in the body, in the belly, in the back, in the ribs, in the shoulders. As you expand your breath, visualize breathing into your whole body, beyond your torso, to the edges of your skin, to the soles of your feet, the palms of your hands, and the top of your head. Breathing in and filling your body. And as you reconnect with movement from the inside out, from the breath into the body, extend that into your body, taking whatever stretches, lengthwise, crosswise, that feel good for you, moving slowly from your center outwards, from your breath outwards. As you breathe, lengthen, stretch long. When you feel ready, either roll to your side or tuck in and massage your back. Be conscious in your transition, taking your time to emerge from your resting place, coming back upright as you're ready.